Good evening, folks, and welcome all to the channel My Trading Life, where we analyze the movement of the Nifty 50 and try to predict what will be the future trends. So let's look at what happened in the market today. So I'll shift my view to the 5-minute chart. Okay. So over here you can see the market starting at this particular point. Okay. So the index basically traded in a consolidation mode. So we have the from 24th September the upward rally of the index, and then today from yesterday in fact, or basically we can say today, the Nifty has basically traded in a consolidation mode, and the trade the high and the low for the today was around 11,900. Okay, so for a brief moment the Nifty touched around 11,890. Okay, and then it made a high of around 11,1200, and later a low of 11,900 again, and later it raised and closed for the day for 11,940, around 11,940. Okay, so in this particular moment the Nifty formed a doji in a daily chart. So let's move on to the daily chart, and you can see over here, okay, the Nifty basically formed this doji. Okay, so what a doji represents is a symbol of confusion in the market, and it opens up the possibility of the market moving in either direction. Hence it will be important to look at what are supports. Okay, so what are supports and resistance are going to be in the future. So let us have a look at what our supports are going to be. Okay, so over here, so the two important supports that we have is basically, so what I consider as the important supports is your 11,870 level. So this particular level you can see has been tested once over here, second over here, thrice over here. Okay, and the second important level is basically this particular gap. Okay, so this gap at 11,800. Okay, so this full complete area is going to be an important support for the Nifty 50, whereas from the resistance point of view we have the highest open interest. So let us go and check out the open interest. Okay, so over here we can see the highest open interest is for the 12,000 level. So we have the open interest around 30 lakh. Okay, and but however we have also the change is highest change in open interest around at 11,950. So from 11,950 to 12,000 is going to be a resistance range for the Nifty 50 in the coming few days, and it would be important to see whether this particular level is successfully crossed by the index in order to achieve the target, so which everyone will be looking out for, that is around 11,200 and 12,300, which was the previous high of the Nifty 50. Okay, so that's all folks for today. Thank you for tuning into this particular channel, and if you have any particular recommendation, please let me know, and if you like the video, please like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.